Hey John, this is Kushal. So I have set up this account for you. It's in our staging. It's called Restaurant Conway, and I have set up a restaurant called My Bar and Grill 007. If you look at the settings tab, we have the Stripe. It's our test environment Stripe key. So it doesn't cost anybody any money, so not to worry. You can use this for demos until you set up your own account. This is a section where you can manage your coupons. You can have expired coupons, or you can hide coupons. You can add a coupon or even upload a series of coupons, and you can use these coupon codes. You can use them in a promo and people can come and redeem them. So with that said, let's look at the campaign that I've set up. It's a simpler menu, this one. I've just added like some steak variations. We can add the pizza and all if you want. The ordering page, it works just the same way as any DaVinci page works. You can change the picture however you want. Maybe I want to use this one and set it up, and you can just say come and enjoy our healthy food, or whatever. So once that, then there's the thank you page where people will go once the order is placed. There's the page settings. This is where you can control your domain if you want to change the domain. Name of the restaurant here, and it's open from 8 to 10 Eastern time every day, but you can always change that or add a break, or you can just go for an ad hoc closure and display this message when it's closed. Okay. Now I've already set up the phone call using Twilio. It's using my test account. Again, once you set it up, you can change it. This is a trial account, so it's not going to cost anybody any money. So, and also there's the social media share tab now, where you can add or change things. You can the only thing you cannot change is the domain. Rather than, you can pretty much change everything and share it in a social media post or on a drive traffic campaign. You can pretty much share it. So with that said, I'm going to go through a quick ordering, and here comes. I've got let's get some spicy green papaya salad. It's one of my favorites from all my trips to Thailand. Let's get some garlic bread. Alright, let's skip the sandwich section, go to the entrees. This is where I have some chicken and then steak, where you can choose what kind of steak you want and add some instructions. Please provide I would like some raw horseradish on the side, please. It's one of my favorites to have with steak. Makes it really spicy. And there you go. You can choose, you can either do a custom amount, or you can type in the tip amount, or you can just choose 15%, 20%, whatever. Shows the tip amount over there. Now I'm going to put my name. Let me use my Gmail. Is the same account where the restaurant is also sending, and pay. This is where I can add a special request and say ring bell or something. And if I have a coupon, this is where I can add the coupon. Now remember all the coupon codes I've set up, I had set up, so those coupons are actually going to somebody. And I'm going to show you the expired coupon also. So promo 60, that one, promo, and if I use that coupon code, it's going to say this coupon has expired. But whereas the 0720, it's 10% off on all purchases, or sale July 20, that coupon. So let's, if I use this coupon, it's going to basically deduct, and you can see 382 from 38.24. It does the discount before the computing the tax. Now I can also do like sale July 20, I think, JUL20. Let's see what it does to that one. This coupon cannot be redeemed if the bill amount is less than the minimum amount required. So that coupon actually had said 10% with minimum $60 purchase, and you can control that right here. So, you know, and all this, there's a specific format in which you can upload it, or you have a add a coupon option where you can enter all this data. So you can pretty much manage all of restaurants' coupons right here. So with that said, let's go back to promo 0720, the one that gives us 10%. Remember this, all 4, 2 follow. This is the test one, 4 and 2 followed by each other. And that's it. It goes through the processing, says thank you for your order, and there comes the phone. I hope you can hear it. And it's a test account, so all it says.
You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account.
Yeah. So that's the call. I should have received emails also. Kushal just placed an order. It's 4:45 p.m. right now. That was my earlier test at 4:37. So this came to this one actually went to the customer with the phone number to call when they show up at the restaurant, and not sure why it says MFINC test. I have to look at that. Then the other thing is, if that was my old test, that's why. Hi Kushal, thank you for your order. Click on that. Okay. What the heck? And Kushal just placed an order. And then that's what the order looks like. This goes to the restaurant, and then the phone call goes to the restaurant. So that's about it. So, you know, take a look. Let me know what you think of this, and play with it. Thanks. Bye. Call me if you need anything. Thanks. Bye.